In this video, I will show you how to limit post per page in WordPress website. So as you can see right now, I'm in my website blog page, and currently in my blog page, here we can see 6 posts are showing at the same time. And now if you want to limit post for the page, all you have to need, go to your WordPress website admin dashboard, and now from your admin dashboard hover over on settings and click on reading, and here you will see this option blog pages show at most post. So now currently selected 10 post. So now 10 posts will be visible in my page at the same time. Now here I'm going to adding 2 posts only, and here clicking on save changes, and now I'm going to reloading my blog page, and then as you can see only 2 posts are visible in my page, and to view more posts I have to click on this pagination, and then more posts will be visible. So this is how we can limit post in our WordPress website page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.